Alright children, once again we are back for your maths class. Open to page number 6060 of your maths book.
Ma'am, it's
Page number 6060. Today we are going to do addition of 2-digit number and 1-digit number. Now look at the beautiful pictures that are drawn on that page. You have the first picture, it says insects. You have the first picture, it says insects. 18 insects. Now all of you count the number of insects. Let's see if they are 18. Start counting. I can see your lip movement. Let me see how you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Excuse me,
13,
ma'am.
14, 15.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Then page number.
Page number 6060, Arjun.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. We were counting the insects on page number 60. The first picture that is given there, it says 18 insects. So we are counting those insects. You also begin counting, Arjun. Then it says plus 1. It says plus 1. So 18 plus 1 equals to 19. You can see 19 written over there in the box. Now you have to count the second picture. And the second picture is very yummy. Second picture is very yummy. You can see that. You all like to eat. Even I like to eat that. The burgers. Come on, let's count the burgers, children. Count the burgers. And then I'll ask one of you to give me the answer. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Page number 60, Aradhya, you've just joined. Page number 6060. So we have 13 over there. 13 burgers. Right there, children. 1, 3, 13. Sidra, look in front. Okay, and then it says plus, and you have some more burgers there. Count those burgers and show me with your finger how many are there. 5. Very good. I can see some of you showing your 5 fingers. Good. Right over there, 5. Now count them all together. See how many burgers are there. Count all the burgers together now. And then I'll ask one child to give me the answer.
18.
Okay. Somebody's answer. The answer is 18 burgers. So right there, 1, 8, 18. Now come to the next picture. You have the beautiful butterflies there. Count the number of butterflies there.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yes, you have 11 butterflies there. Yes, very good. 11. So right there, 11 children. Yes, good. Count the next set of butterflies there.
6.
Okay, there are 6. Very good. Right there, 6.
11.
And after that, 11 plus
1,
6.
2,
You have to add. You have to count them and see how many are there. How many all together?
Ma'am, 17.
Right, 17. So all of you put there. 11 plus 6 is equal to 17. Right there.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 16, 17,
All right.
18, 19, 20, 21.
Now we come to the next picture. You have all the ships
1,
there.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Come on, count
7,
the
8,
ships.
9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
You have
20.
20 ships there. And it says plus 0. Plus 0. Then it says plus 0. 0, remember I told you 0 has no value. So your answer will be 20. Right there. 20, 20. Children, remember to put the date on that page. Today's date 28/8/20. Sayansh, put the date on that page. Parth, put the date.
Ma'am, 2820.
Yes.
2880.
28/28. Today's date is 28. Sayansh, mute yourself. Now, children, we come to the next page that says addition by grouping into tens and ones. Today's date on that page. Put today's date on that page. All right, and look at the first sum that is given over there. You have 15 plus 3. Now we are going to add and we'll see how you get the answers. 15 means there is 1 10 and 5 ones. Now look at the flowers. Look at the flowers. You have one bunch with 10 flowers over there. Can you see the picture, all of you? Look down in your books. Parth, look at your book. Okay, so it says 15 is equal to 1 10 5 ones. Put your finger there, children, and follow in the book. Plus 3, which means 3 ones. Now we have to add and see what is your answer. So in 15, when you are going to add 3, then you get your answer as 1 10 8 ones. 5, look here children, 5 plus 3 gives you, let's count, show me 5 fingers in one hand, 3 fingers in another hand. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we get 8 ones. And then we have 1 10 over there, which we bring down and write it over there.
18.
That makes it 18. Alright. So see your answers written there is equal to 18. Now see how the flowers are drawn over there. You have 1 10, a bunch of 10 flowers, and then let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have 8 flowers, 1 bunch of 10 and 8 ones. That makes it 18. अब हमें इसी तरह दूसरे सम्स जो उस पेज पर दिए हैं वो करने हैं. अब ध्यान से सुनेंगे और बुक में देख के मैम के साथ करेंगे. सायांश, आपको अपने आप करना है बेटे. सामने मैम को देखिए, सुनिए और साथ में करिए तो फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. The sum is 12 plus 5. 12 में हमारे पास कितने टेंस है एशविल? Ashwil, unmute yourself. 12 में we have 110. 110. तो जहां पर TEN 10 लिखा है उसके सामने जो बॉक्स है उसमें आप लिखेंगे 1. Write over there 1, children. 110. And 1 कितने हैं? 2. Look here. 12 में 110, 2 ones. So write over there 2 in that box. Write 2 in that box, children. Okay, and now it says is equal to. Now you have to add 5 more in that. 5 is a single number, that means it belongs to the house of 1. जहां पर ONES ones है, put over there 5. Put over there 5. So now 12 1, 110, 2 ones, and then that makes it 12. You have to add 5 more to that. Now you see, जो नंबर आपने लिखा है 2, उसके नीचे 5 लिखा है. Now look at the picture that I'm showing you. Look at the picture first. Sit straight. I'll show you the picture. Look carefully, children. Look here. You can see the picture. I've written there the numbers. I've written 110. Then I have written 2 ones. Then you have 5 ones. Now we have to add these two numbers and see what answer we are going to get. So we are going to show 5 fingers in one hand and 2 fingers in the other hand and count. Now show me 5 fingers first. Show me 5 fingers in one hand. Yes, very good. And now 2 fingers in the other hand. Let's begin counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's write there 7. Let's write there 7. And we have 110. We have 110. So bring that down. That makes it 110, 7, 1 makes it 17. Right. So write there 17.
Yes.
Now come to the next sum. It says 11 plus 8. 11 में again we have 110, 1 1. So TEN 10 जहां लिखा है. Children, look in your books. Abdul, look in your book. TEN 10 जहां पर है उसके फ्रंट जो बॉक्स है we write there 1. That is 110. और ONE 1 जहां पर है वहां पर भी हम 1 लिखेंगे because 11 में 1 1 है. 1's place में 1 is there. Now look down. उसके नीचे 11 के नीचे देखो +8 लिखा हुआ है. 8 सिंगल नंबर है. 8 सिंगल नंबर है. वंस के हाउस को बिलोंग करता है. वहां पर ONES वंस लिखा है. उसके सामने आप लिखेंगे 8. सिंगल डिजिट नंबर है 8. राइट ओवर देयर. Now we have to add. Again, I'll show you the image, children. Just I'll show you the picture. You have to show me 8 fingers and then 1 finger. And we have to count and see what we get. 8 here, 11 this sum, 110, 1, 1, and then we have plus 8. So we have to add this and see what answer we get. You count 8 fingers and then plus 1 in that, you get 9. 8 plus 1 you get 9. And then tens के हाउस में 1 है, tens के हाउस में 1 है, we will write it there. That becomes 19. साइड में देखिए फ्लावर्स बने हुए हैं. Can you see these flowers? You can see the flowers, children? You can see the flowers there in your book? Okay. जो बंच है उस बंच में 10 फ्लावर्स है. बंच में 10 फ्लावर्स है. So that means 10 flowers का 1 bunch है. And then you have single flowers, those are ones. Count those flowers and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 110 plus 9 gives us 19. You got your answer as 19 there. Now see the next sum. 13 plus 3. 13 में again हमारे पास 110 है. Look in front, children. 13 में 110, 3 ones. Right over there. 110. जहाँ पर TEN 10 लिखा है उसके फ्रंट में जो बॉक्स है उसमें हम 1 लिखेंगे. और जो ONES ones का हाउस है वहां पर हम लिखेंगे 3. That becomes 13. And then it says plus 3. So ones जहां लिखा है उसमें हम लिखेंगे 3. Now we will add both the 3's. 3 in one hand, 3 here. Count करिए. Yes, Aradhya, good. You are counting, I can see. All of you count, children. Shanavar, you also count. 3 fingers in one hand, 3 fingers in the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write over there 6.
Ma'am, 16.
Yes, and then you bring down the 1. You get 110 and 6 1. That makes 16. Very good. Now do the next sum. 15. 15 में 110 है, 5 ones है. 110, 5 ones. And then you have down 4 ones. Now we have to add 5 and we have to add 4. Show me 5 fingers, look in front. And then 4 fingers in the other. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We write there 9 in the ones box. And tens, you have 110. Write it there. That makes it 19. Good, children. Very nice. You all are doing it with me. That's very good. Now just turn the page. We have something interesting here. Turn the page. Put today's date on that page. Now we have something interesting here. You have to draw strokes. In your KG classes, you learned how to draw strokes and count the numbers, no? That's very easy. So we are going to do by drawing the strokes. See the first sum. It says 15 plus 2. And there are 15 strokes there. वहां पर 15 lines draw करी हुई है. उसके बाद जो नीचे 2 लिखा है, 2 lines बनी है. और आपको सारे lines count करके लिखना है. Total you get 17. फर्स्ट सम आपके लिए वहां पर करा हुआ है एज एन एग्जाम्पल. अब सेकेंड सम इज 7 + 6. सो फर्स्ट वाले बॉक्स में 7 स्ट्रोक्स ड्रॉ करिए. चिल्ड्रन ड्रॉ 7 स्ट्रोक. जहां पर 7 लिखा है उसके सामने जो ब्लैंक बॉक्स है उसमें 7 स्ट्रोक्स ड्रॉ करिए. Ashwil, do your work. When you finish drawing 7 stroke, give me a thumbs up. Okay, Vani has finished. Shiv has finished. Okay. Parth has finished. All right, now you have 6 down there. Draw 6 strokes. Shanawar, are you doing, child?
और इधर
काउंट करो, दोनों को काउंट करो, दोनों काउंट करके
6 स्ट्रोक्स ड्रॉ करिए वहां पर. उसके बाद दोनों को काउंट करके ऐड करके आंसर लिखना है.
आंसर मुझे नहीं बनाना.
13 मैम.
13. Very good. The answer comes to 13. 1 3 13. वंस के हाउस में हम 3 लिखेंगे और टेंस के हाउस में हम 10 वाला 1 लिखेंगे. Okay. Next sum is also very easy. Single digit we have already done. Now you come to sum that says third line में first sum देखिए. Third line में first sum. Children, come to the third line first sum. 13 plus 4. 13 plus 4. Single digit आपने कर लिया है. So you will be able to do. You will do that. Now come to 13 plus 4. आपको 13 lines draw करनी है. 13 strokes draw. And then 4 strokes.
17.
Yes, somebody is giving the answer. The answer is 1 7 17. Very good, children. Okay. Now, just sit straight, all of you. Put your pencils down. Put your pencils down. Okay, sit straight. Put your pencils down. Let me see how you're going to do your addition. Parth, unmute yourself. Parth. Okay, Parth, 5 plus 5. Count on your fingers quickly. 5 plus 5. All of you count. Only Parth will give the answer. 10. Very good.
10.
Very good. Aradhya, unmute yourself. Aradhya, unmute yourself. And give me the answer to 6 plus 4. Aradhya.
6 plus 4.
6 plus 4. Yes, count on your fingers. Come on. Count. 1, 2. Yes.
3, 4, 5, 6, 4. 1.
4 fingers और दिखाइए.
4 finger और. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. 6 plus 4, 10. Very good. Okay. Who else is there? Sidra, come on, give me the answer to 3 plus 2. Sidra, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
3 plus 2. Count on your fingers quickly.
हाँ, दोनों हाथ निकालो.
Ma'am, 5.
5. Very good. Okay, Abdul, unmute yourself. 4 plus 4. Abdul, 4 plus 4.
Ma'am, 8.
8. Okay, very good. All right, Satakshi, are you there? 2 plus 2.
4. Ma'am,
4. Very good. All right, Myra is there. Myra, 6 plus 6. Myra is there. Myra is there? Okay, 12. Very good. Very good. Okay. Abban is there? Abban? Abban? 2 plus 1? 3. Very good. 2 plus 1, I said 3. 2 plus 1.
3.
Yes, 3. Very good. Okay, children. So, you have to keep practicing mental maths like this. Okay? Tell mommy to keep asking you addition and subtraction both. Now, I'll be sending you the homework in your class group. You will do that and you will complete page number 62 in the book. Page number 62 you will do in the book, and the other sums I will be sending you to do in the copy. Join your hands, close your eyes for the prayer. Thank you, O God, for all the people from whom I have learned today, talked and shared my knowledge. Thank you for all the people who have been kind to me today, for those who have taught me the lessons which I must know, for granting me good knowledge to do better in my life. Thank you for being with me every moment of this day and keeping me safe. This I ask for your love's sake. Amen. Good morning and thank you, children. Have a nice day.